Hello and welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial. This is a daily t-shirt design series. I'm coming to you with another t-shirt design and I hope you enjoy it. My name is David Isamoje. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into the design. It's going to be super quick. Please don't click off, make sure you watch it to the very end. These are t-shirt designs that make you passive income on sites like TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, Redbubble. So if this is what you're interested in, if you're interested in passive income through print on demand, make sure you stick around. Let's go straight right into it. So I've opened a new tab. I'm going to be using canva.com. So I'm opening canva.com. We're going to be using Canva for our design. 90% of you guys say Photoshop is hard, so I'm using canva.com for you guys. But the thing about canva.com, let's create a new design. Custom dimension 4500 by 5400. So this is the standard. This is what you should use. Click on create. The thing about canva.com is that there's a free version and there's a pro version, and for t-shirt designers like you guys who are watching this video want to make passive income from t-shirt design, our advice, you get the pro version. Is super cheap, a cup of coffee, you get the pro version. Because why do you need the pro version? You want to always remove the background from all your designs so that you can upload it on different colors of shirt. You don't want to always upload your design on just one color of shirt. You are limiting yourself, you are limiting your sales, and limiting the amount you can make from passive income. So I always advise you to get Canva Pro. But I got your back for the first 1 month, so if you check the first link in the description, you're going to get if you click and sign up with that link, you're going to get Canva Pro free for the first 30 days. Super easy. All you need to do is to follow that link, sign up with that link, and you're going to get Canva Pro free. What are the benefits you're going to enjoy? You're going to enjoy Canva Pro so that you can remove the white background and you can use the image, the pro license image on Canva. The pro license image on Canva, you can use it on your design commercially free. I use them and I've never had a problem, so you can use them as well. So with this one, we're just going to go straight right to it. I'll just go to elements. I'll go to elements, and the first one I'm going to search for is love. So as you can see, the designs with the crowns are the paid ones, but if you're on Canva Pro, obviously you can use them. So you can see this is a paid version, but the free ones you can also use them. Remember, our design is not only going to be about, it's not just going to be elements, it's going to be pictures too. So you can just scroll through and find one. So for this one, I'm going to use this one. It says live, love, live, laugh, love. So I'm going to make it bigger. So to do that, I'm going to hover my mouse to this edge, and I'm going to press down my left mouse click button, and I'm going to drag outwards. So now that we have that stretched out, I'm just going to move that to the side like so. And now I'll change the color because obviously you can't, sorry about that, you can't really see the color. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to make it, let's make it a different color. Let's say orange. Let's say orange. Yes. So now I'll go back to, now that we have that done, I'll go back and search for dog because I want it to be a niche kind of design. So I'll search for dog, and right off the back I'll see this free print. So I'm just going to click on that. So as you can see, we have this print over here. I'll just try to make it bigger. So to make it bigger, you hover your mouse to this edge, press down your left mouse click button and drag outwards. like so. Now I'm going to right click and move backwards, just like that, just like that. So now I've moved it backwards. So now you just have it like so in your design. You can decide to move it around and just make it like that, but I think it's cool. I can leave it like this. I can move it like this, so just like this. So you can decide to leave the color like that, so you have the live, love and live. Now this is the part I was telling you. You can see I didn't go out of Canva Pro. Out of Canva. I didn't go out of it. So now I got all my elements. Some of you asked me, where do I get my element I use? Yes, I get some of them from Flat Icon, but Flat Icon, if you don't want to give credit, you have to be on the Pro version. You have to be on the Pro plan. Same thing with Canva, but the good thing about Canva, you are trying to aim down too good with one stone, which is moving the white background and getting your element directly from Canva Pro, which most of these elements you find here are also paid on Flat Icon. So that is the aim. So with that said, we can just go over and save this. You can just go over and save this design. Click on download. As you can see, if you're on the Pro version, you will click on transparent background and it will remove the background for you. But since you're on the free version for now, to give you can't use this. But if you check the first link in the description, if you use the very first link in the description, sign up with the very first link before you make your very first design, you'll be able to get Canva Pro free from me for 1 month. So make sure you do that. So just click on download. It's going to prepare your download and it's going to download that. So now we just have to go over and make sure our design is downloaded properly. Just make sure our design is downloaded properly. This is it. So I'll click on it. As you can see, this is our design, but you can see it came with the white background, and that's why I keep making the emphasis that you need Canva Pro. If you are going to be doing print on demand for passive income or for your business, you need Canva Pro because you want to be able to move this white background. Not everyone wants a white shirt. Some people want black, some people want red. So different colors for different folks. So make sure you get Canva Pro. Check the first link in the description to get that. And you can see it just took us about 7 minutes to get that done. Not complicated. So now we're just going to move it onto our shirt. So I'll show you how to move it onto a shirt. So open pictures on a new tab, markup, and for you guys that love to advertise on Instagram, you can just get this template. You can get this template from as you can see, that's the site, freepik.com. just search for t-shirt design templates and download one for yourself, unzip it, and you can use that in Photoshop, but you can only use that in Photoshop. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can also just upload your designs to Redbubble, TeePublic, and by the time you upload it and you've done uploading it, you get your designs on humans, on real humans wearing your shirt, realistic humans wearing your shirt. You can just save the image and promote that too. But I'm just showing you from this aspect because I want to show you why you need Canva Pro, because you might not enjoy just uploading on white shirts. So we'll just drag this in, and you see what I'm talking about. So now if we reduce this, we reduce it like so, press enter and go to file and click on save. Go back to our shirt. You see, click on Ctrl T and just turn this around. So this is the way it's gonna be on your shirt. This way is gonna be on your shirt. Obviously, it's gonna have the white background, and you might not like it. Not everyone would like it with the white background. You might like it, not everyone will like it. So that's why we say it's best to get Canva Pro. So make sure you check the first link in the description. It's free on me for 1 month. If you use my link, it's free on me. So with that said, I want to say thank you for watching today's video. If you've watched me to the very end, just let me know in the comments. Say I made it to the end. Let me know in the comments. if I made it, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate you guys. And with that said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.